One of our friends doesn't really like her.
And I like lamb, so.
Tea master. Yeah, they put so much sour cream. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my friend Erica.
Hello.
And as you can see, we got the Taco Bell variety pack and we're going to be doing like a mukbang Q&A. And the reason why I chose Erica here was because I think she, out of all my friends, she eats the most. And so I can't eat a lot, so hopefully watching her eat will be better than watching me eat.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
See by the color.
Oh, this is regular. Okay. So we got 6 regular Supreme tacos and 6 Doritos Locos. Fun fact, I've never tried the Doritos.
Wait, try the Dorito first.
I don't care.
Okay.
So I have some questions that I'm gonna ask her and like we'll both answer. Should we start with something easy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do... You like it?
So Caitlin was gonna get onions on all the tacos, right? But apparently she didn't know that you have to add onion for every single one. So she only added it to one Doritos one and one regular, so we don't know which one's gonna have onions.
Can you name all your ex-partners using animal names?
What do you mean?
Like, you have to assign them an animal.
Okay. I only have 2. Well, actually, I only have 1.
No, she has 2.
I only have 1.
She has 2. So the first one, what animal would you...
I think...
Oh, this has onions! Oh, nice! Mine has onions.
Oh, wait, can I see the onions?
Yeah.
I think my first one... I would do like a crocodile or something.
Why?
Because he was so vicious. On my second one, I would make him a mouse because he was so...
I wonder if they can hear my AC. Okay, continue. Mouse, why?
He was so like sneaky and like so...
Sneaky, sticky mouse.
Okay, what about you? You have like 7 exes. We'll see.
Okay, let me finish my taco and then we'll ask the second question. You know why I like freaking hate Doritos?
Really? Why?
They taste so gross. So I was actually not going to do a Q&A. I was going to do a vlog. And so I vlogged my last week of school and everything. But it just seemed so boring. So I decided to, I decided to just switch it up. Oh, this isn't a question, but I'm just curious. What's your most embarrassing story? I don't have one. Do you have one?
This is a question.
Oh. Do you have one?
I'm really bad at coming up with things on the spot. So I have to prepare questions like this. So I cannot answer you right now. Okay.
Oh, there's onions.
Interesting.
I didn't mess up. So what did you want to be when you were young? Did you want to be a doctor when you were younger?
Since 7th grade?
Okay, like young, like childhood. What did you want to be?
When I was like in middle school, like I guess like 5th grade or something, I love animals. So I really wanted to be a pet store, like a groomer.
Oh, not even like a vet?
Yeah. I wanted to watch the dog. I told my mom and she cried. What about you? What was your childhood? Actually, I know what your childhood dream was.
I wanted to be a K-pop star.
Yeah.
But my family wanted me to be a pianist.
Wait, so why didn't you stick with piano? You're still famous.
Realistically speaking, I was thinking about it in high school. Like, what can I do with piano? Piano teacher? Work for a symphony?
True.
Like, I can't really do much.
What if you become like a pianist for like Big Bang? or Ariana Grande?
Because I want to be the star.
But she told me, I'm so hungry I could eat a buffalo. This is your second one?
Oh. Okay. I'll bleep it out. F, marry, kill. Okay?
We already played this, do you not remember?
No, I don't remember. Okay.
Wait.
And then, your friend.
I think I would kill.
No way!
Because he's just... Actually, let me think. I need to think a little bit more. This one's really hard. I think I would marry because... No, it's always just
the F.
No, I need to reconsider the killing it. Because the thing is, he likes me more than I will ever like him.
Who's he?
So I know I will get treated really well if I marry him. I might not like him back, but I will live an easy life.
We're gonna F.
I cannot answer this question.
Yeah, no, what?
What about you?
Aren't hard people for me. You just really don't like them. I don't have any. Like... Oh, I would kill. I would marry and F.
Really? You would marry?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he's more. Next question. Are you close to anyone now that you initially disliked?
No.
Oh, really?
You are?
I don't know. I think all my close friends. No, not like my close friends. For you, you were scary. We met each other on Zoom, right? And every time we had like a Zoom call, she just like, I think I was very 감동s. When we had a meeting and she texted me saying, you look so like heartjuke, can you eat? It was actually really 감동s.
Why? I didn't mean it like that. Because she actually looked malnourished. And her skin was so sickly. And I was like, oh my god, like a skeleton. She looked so, like, her skin looked gray.
You're exaggerating.
I'm not, I remember. Is this your third taco?
Yeah.
I finished my 6.
You could have more if you're still hungry. The first time I had like so much fun with you, I was just like, damn. That's when you turned into a Smurf. I thought she didn't like me at first though, because we weren't that close in the beginning. And I messaged her saying like, oh, do you know this person? You look like her, like you like remind me of her. And like she like came off like, she just like LMFAO, what? I was just like, it turns out it's like she had beef with that person at that time, so she didn't like it.
And you messaged that?
I messaged that to you.
No, it was in the group chat with Julianne.
No, it wasn't with Julianne. It was just you and me.
No, it was. Yeah, I was offended because, first of all, it's like someone I have beef with. Second, we do not look alike.
It's not like, I think when you were a little bit more 통통해. Like, you lost a lot of weight.
No.
Okay. What would you rather throw away? Love or money?
So be dirt poor and in love?
Oh, yeah. Or, like, you're well off, but single. I think you want to say one answer, but I think realistically, you won't be able to survive in the other situation.
The thing is, though, like, yeah.
And like, from here, you have to give up either.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Yeah, right?
You're right. I would want... Okay. See, this is like an example of heart and head. Okay? In my heart, I would love to say that I would give up money and be in love, right? But my head says no. Erica, you can't. I'm okay by myself, you know?
Yeah, me too.
No.
You're These are really random, okay? Would you rather look like a potato or feel like a... The most random questions ever. Okay, which one?
What does that mean? So I would be a big potato,
Yeah.
but I would be human.
Yeah.
Or
Feel like a potato.
I would look like me, but I would...
Feel like a potato.
What do potatoes feel?
Mishy.
Oh, wait. I was thinking emotionally.
I was thinking physically.
I think I would feel like a potato.
But look like you.
Yeah.
So if I touch you, you're like, oh, very potato-y.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about you?
Neither. I think I would rather feel like one too.
Yeah. I think that's funny that I thought emotionally and
Yeah,
you thought
that's
physically.
basically.
Let's say you had a boyfriend, right? He goes missing all of a sudden. How long do you wait until you date someone else?
Ooh, I was gonna say 24 hours, but then I thought the question was going to like, when are you gonna report him?
Actually, let's not do boyfriend. Let's do husband. Your husband goes missing.
Ooh, see, like, so we don't know if he's dead or missing.
Yeah, you don't know.
Maybe like a couple years. Why? But it's also like, let's say like you got married and your husband passed away. Would you remarry someone else?
Oh, he passed away, like, for sure?
Yeah.
Well, if he passed away for sure,
Oh,
I would need more than a couple years.
Really?
You don't think so? Marriage is crazy.
So you would sacrifice your life and your love for your kids?
Yeah. You wouldn't?
Hey, I seem off like kind of like a not good person. What's the stupidest thing you've ever done?
I told you I'm bad at questions like those.
What's the stupidest thing you've ever done? Go clubbing?
I almost
she
peed.
loved it.
I almost peed on the street because of her. Twice.
Spontaneity or stability? Ow, my ankle.
Stability.
Mm.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm not spontaneous at all.
You're not?
No, I'm so not spontaneous. I'm a Virgo.
I remember one time you were like, let's go to the beach.
Oh,
And I was like, what the heck?
I was thinking about that for a couple hours though. So it wasn't spontaneous to me. It was
like-
spontaneous to you.
It was like 11 p.m. She's like, let's go to the beach.
Oh, should we do a reaction to? So Erica said that the
Sorry.
So we're outage.
Shortage. There was a hot Cheeto shortage. These are my favorite pepper puffs. They're supposed to be the hottest ever.
She's actually really into stars.
Astrology.
Yeah. So can you explain? We should have done astrology Q&A.
Wait, thoughts on this?
Oh, it's not my first time. I have to sneeze. But I like it. It reminds me a lot of, you remember when we were young, we had asteroids? Because you know how asteroids came back and it did not taste the same?
It was so 싱거워.
Yeah, and it's like so like airy and like weird, but I like this. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh my god, I keep kicking the chair. What do we mean? But anyways, yes. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Your hands are so big.